guys, Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a college week in my life and I'm so excited for this video because I've been meaning to do one of these for a while and it just hasn't happened yet. But today's Monday, it's October 5th. Yesterday was my 21st birthday, which let me tell you was just a blast. I spent the weekend with my friends and yesterday I went to a vineyard with them and I went to the ABC store, bought my first bottle of liquor. That was fun. It was really just such a great weekend, but with that and all the celebrating and all that, didn't really get much work done. So this week I'm definitely getting back on track, and this morning was a rude awakening because I was quite tired. Anyways, today I'm bringing you guys college week in my life. If you guys like college videos like this, definitely subscribe down below. I'm really making an effort to post every single Sunday, so please watch out for those videos coming out then. First of all, let me show you my outfit today. If you guys are new, I'm a third year in the comm school. We're doing hybrid classes at the moment, and today was clearly my day to be online because like, what is this outfit right now? Like, it's just full comfy. This sweatshirt I got like 2 weeks ago and I just wear it all the time. I'm obsessed. And these sweatpants are from the bookstore. If you guys go here, you should definitely get these. I think they were on sale over the summer actually. Slippers are from Target. Love these two. Just a full outfit right now. I'm burning my candle. Oh, also guys, it's pretty messy. Well, it's not that messy, but it's like not clean either. Also, look how sweet Claire and Shannon are. They put that up for me. So if you guys noticed, I actually did some rearranging here. And if you remember from my move-in vlog, I was kind of debating how I was gonna set everything up. I didn't really end up using that cubicle that much, or at least the stuff in it, and I moved all my skincare to the bathroom. So now I have this setup here. Pretty much looks like this, sans this, and I usually don't have cardboard there, but that actually has quite the purpose. I'm going to use this. My parents brought this box for me this weekend when they dropped off my birthday present and all that stuff. The floor in here just kind of like slants downward, so I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but like these drawers will come open just like because. That's why this desk drawer is open. So I'm gonna put cardboard circles underneath all the things. I already have some underneath my dresser, but I guess it's just like not enough. So gonna cut that up and do that. I also obviously need to make my bed, put my pillows up on the bed. I have some stuff in this bin from Wegmans to go downstairs in the basement to the laundry room, just like laundry stuff from home that I forgot. What else? Oh, I also need to water my plant. I'm gonna wipe down my desk and kind of just like clean up a little bit in here. Yeah, I'm just gonna like pick up in here and also change. Then I'm going to head over to Liv's because my parents actually brought me food on Saturday, the day before my birthday. The leftovers are at Liv's because we ate them there because we can't have people eat in the house here. So my leftovers are there. That's probably what I'm gonna have for lunch. That's all for now. I also like the only times I film college week in my life are for finals, so I'm interested to see how this video will turn out. I'm sure it'll be fine. I just don't want this video to be 2 hours long, but it might be. I don't know. If you guys are looking for college YouTubers, definitely check out Mackenzie Morgan. I live for her week in my life videos. They're literally an hour long. Like, I love her. She's just like super productive, super real, and just like really chill. And she always responds to my comments on Instagram. So she's a real one. Oh, also, I didn't even say that I had finance this morning from 9:30 to 12:15. I mean, I already knew this. Like, finance is not my thing, but like after taking that class, I was like, finance is really not my thing. Tomorrow's marketing, so hopefully that'll be more my thing and it'll balance out. So
in my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side.
I finished with my desk. It looks just so clean, so fresh. I have this candle burning, which I don't know if I've mentioned this in the video before. It's from Target, called Leather Oak from Chesapeake Bay Candles, I think. It's divine. Like, truly just the best scent I think I've ever smelled. So, run, don't walk. I watered my plant, and I put my salt lamp back there, which I don't love that this is sticking out, but that's more for convenience. This is just great if I need to, like, see something at night without turning on this light, or obviously the big light. Just, like, so nice. Then I have all my masks hanging there, and then this window here, it's just like such great lighting and just such a happy space. So I love this little corner. I have all this stuff up here. I need to put all these cups in the kitchen, put these away. My mom also just bought me these, and she said that these are great for wiping down your phone instead of using Clorox wipes, because I always thought that those were like just not good for your phone screen, but these isopropyl alcohol ones are good because they quickly dry and they're not gonna like ruin your phone, but also they disinfect. So wipe down your phone if you haven't lately, because Lord knows how many germs are on there, plus corona, so just do that. I even hold the camera and everything, but I'm gonna put these away and then I'm gonna change and get going to Liv's.
Red
Okay guys, it's just like so much later right now. It's currently like 10:45 almost, and I just got home. I know, I got home a couple hours ago actually. I've been just kind of doing work all day. I had a couple meetings. I'm currently in the piano room because it's nice and quiet down here. I just interviewed both my parents for my ICE project, and that took like probably an hour and a half. Yeah, I've just kind of been a little stressed today, and I honestly forgot I was vlogging, if I'm being quite honest. We're trying to work out our lease for next year, this apartment that we loved, and someone else apparently signed this weekend. So our apartment was taken, and unfortunately there are no more like that in the building. So I was honestly really upset about that because I feel like things are getting down to the wire, and it's 4th year and I want it to be really good. And so there's a couple different apartments left in that building, which are fine. They're just like not the same. The rooms are definitely smaller. The common area is way smaller, but it's like still pretty big, and it's definitely still a good deal. So we're going to try and go on a tour on Wednesday, which is ASAP. We're trying to go ASAP so that we can get the lease signed ASAP so that nothing else happens, because we have to secure a place for next year. Honestly, I think that last week was like the week where everyone signed, and I don't know what happened, but we didn't. So I've just been like really stressed about that, honestly. But I made quesadillas for dinner and they were really good, and right now I'm gonna go upstairs, take a shower, do my reading for tomorrow, just go to bed because I have in-person class in the morning and it's from 9:30 to 12:15, so it's not really gonna be fun. But yeah, that's all I really have to say. I'll see you guys in the morning. Wow, like a boss. That was easy.
To be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up.
Hello, we just came back from CVS. Also, shout out, yes, I'm with Megan, hi. Shout out, I think her name was Susan. She was pretty chill.
She questioned our vlogging
She had to
skills.
verify that the vlog was okay, but it is, so
It's legal.
Megan's great
Noted.
videography. Yeah, we're walking the hill right before Cayo. It's kind of ass, but yeah, I have nothing to show for that actually, because I do it every day.
It's changed.
Literally nothing. In fact, I think I've gotten fatter, but
Anyways.
Need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
Alright guys, I got back from getting my flu shot. I sat in my bed for a hot minute and watched TikTok, and then Liv FaceTimed me. And speaking of, I need to go grocery shopping today. I feel like I'm going a mile a minute because I had like 2 cups of coffee. Anyways, I'm gonna drink some more. Just like, ooh, wow. Just the lighting in here right now, immaculate. Anyways, I'm about to go grocery shopping. Might buy a bottle of wine, I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy that I can do that now. Yeah, but now I'm honestly in a pretty good mood compared to yesterday night. I was just like not feeling too great, both physically and just like emotionally. Anyways, that's an aside. I very potentially found an option for next year. I changed our tour date for the apartment to tomorrow instead of Friday, just so that we could see it ASAP. But I called a different leasing agency, which I've never even heard of around here, to inquire about this one apartment complex that's like never heard of anyone living there. Like it's in a great location, pretty relatively inexpensive, and this apartment had like 3 stories to it, so that was super cool. So I don't know, like that would be just so awesome if that could work out. I have no idea, but we will see. So fingers crossed, by the end of the vlog you guys will probably know like what goes down. I really hope everything for next year works out. It has to. It just has to. So anyways, going to go to Wegmans, maybe Trader Joe's. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm there. Like literally, what am I on right now? Okay. Dead ass wearing the same thing as yesterday, so yeah, it is what it is.
Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb.
Hello everyone. Good, I guess afternoon now. It's now 12:31 and I just got back from class this morning. We've been having 9:30 to 12:15 classes every single day, which we haven't had in a long time, and especially being in person, we've never had 9:30 to 12:15 all in person. It's just really exhausting. So I'm just like been really tired from that this week. I've also just like got a lot on my plate right now and a lot of projects coming up. I have like a test due in a couple of days, a project due next week, another test due on Friday, assignment due on Friday, and just like a bunch of stuff going on. So I'm just feeling the heat for sure. Also the fact that the apartment situation still isn't solved is really just like sending me over the edge. So I'm trying to be like super productive today to get all my stuff done and catch up on work, because I also have to edit a UVA video and edit my own video, which I've had sitting there for so long. But at this point I've really been struggling with like to put out content or to not put out content, because like especially this video that I'm about to edit, I don't know how I feel about it. Like obviously I have to get through the full rough cut, but I'm like, is it even enough? Like, is it sufficient? Is it worth people's time? And of course I want to like take time to create videos, but it's like basically I'm either giving up my spare time or I just have to work more productively. And so I'm trying to work more productively, because obviously I don't want to give up my free time, because that is what keeps me sane. Anyways, I just made food. I made a bagel and I have grapes. I'm letting the bagel cool before I put on my cream cheese. Right now I'm watching Mackenzie Morgan's videos. Her videos just keep me motivated. I love her. She's very real. You guys haven't watched her. I think I already plugged her earlier in this video, maybe in the last one. I don't know. Love her. Definitely check her out. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch her video, eat my food, and then I'm gonna go to Starbucks to get coffee and probably do work up there too, so that I could be productive. Lots of things on the to-do list today. Also, sorry, like I feel like I haven't really vlogged that much just because honestly I keep forgetting, but I also feel like this is way less pressure than a day in my life. But also I don't know like if these clips are worthwhile. I don't know. I'm just, can we tell? I'm just like really doubting myself these days. Oh, I'm really blue now. I keep walking around too. I don't know why. I just need to take a deep breath and it'll all be fine. Also though, just to add, we're just piling it on. I took a finance quiz today and I think it went actually horribly, so that's great. That could very easily fall. You guys are currently balanced on my ampersand on my dresser, so great. We have another apartment tour today at 4. We're going to see the place that, I don't know if I mentioned it at all, but definitely not as big, so like that sucks. But then this is kind of far away, so it's like we were looking at some other places that were closer, but some of them are really not cute and some of them are expensive. And then this other one that we found we really liked, it was like a 3-story apartment, super cool, but the only problem is that we called the leasing office yesterday and they were like, yeah, someone's like already maybe putting in an application. I'm like, perfect, just perfect. So this weekend tour, that is Friday, and now I'm just like, oh my god, I need to figure this out for my own sanity ASAP pronto before I literally lose my mind. On that note, I'm gonna eat my bagel and just take a chill pill. Hello everyone, it's currently 9:45. I'm just sitting here at my desk chilling, and well, not really chilling, I'm doing work. I just finished the rough cut on my video. I met with one of my project group mates earlier and we worked for like almost 2 hours actually. Well, actually I think it was like an hour and a half. I think I totally just made that up, I don't know. I took like definitely like an hour-long break. Probably just going to like make some tea or something to sip on that while I do some more of my work for the rest of the night. I only really have like one more thing I need to do at my desk, which is all of my marketing readings for tomorrow, which is only like one reading actually. It's not very long. I have to do this little quiz for that, and then I'm going to shower, wash my hair, and then I'm going to, I think, watch, like we have to watch a movie or documentary for media studies for one of the assignments this week, so I think I'm just gonna watch that in bed so I can chill out and drink my tea probably. Then I'm gonna journal and go to bed. So did I get shower in there? I'm gonna shower somewhere in there. Yeah, it's been a pretty productive day, honestly. The apartment tour, I'm sure I put clips before here, but it's not gonna work. Like, it was just not great. We're also in there for only like, I swear to god, like 3 minutes, because it was so awkward because the people were there basically like watching us tour as we were touring, and they like clearly did not want us to be there. Like, everyone had on masks and everything obviously, but it was just like really awkward. I don't know. Anyways, I didn't even like the apartment either, so the apartment search continues. Know anyone in Charlottesville, any properties, just let a girl know. That's what I'm up to. Nothing too crazy. That's all.
I always play a fool, living in your maze. Tell me why you make it so hard on me.
Here's the vlog if I don't make my bed. I don't think it is. So full bed making today. probably should change my sheets, but I don't really have time for that, so let's make bed.
Tell me something I don't know. You'll be alright on your own. I just don't want to hear you say to me.
Now I have all my laundry done. This is kind of a mess and I look literally heinous. Also guys, look at this outfit right now. This is like my dad's t-shirt. It's so long. These sweatpants, like this is just a vibe right now. I made lunch. I called a couple of apartment complexes, worked on the spreadsheet for that, did Instagram stories for Kaio and philanthropy and stuff, and that kind of took a hot minute. So now I'm here. It's almost 3. I just got all my laundry from downstairs, but I'm about to pack up and go to Liv's because tonight I'm grabbing drinks. Oh my gosh, like what? I'm going to this rooftop bar with a couple of friends. It's at this hotel called Quirk. They have one in Richmond and like everyone goes to that one too, but they just opened one in Charlottesville and it's just so cute. I've like heard so many great things, but I've never been, and now I can go. Like I'm so excited. So tonight I'm going with LT, Claire, and Sarah. They're all in Kaio with me. I'm really excited to see them. I haven't seen Sarah and Claire in a hot minute. I saw LT last week I think, but yeah, with that I need to get my work done before I do that. So I'm heading over to Liv's because I'm gonna sleep over there tonight because we were planning on hanging out and watching a Halloween movie at like 10:30 or so. So I just want to like go over there now so I can like get ready, do my work, everything over there, rather than have to go back and forth and stuff. So I'm just packing up for tonight. Usually I do go over to her apartment pretty much every weekend. Actually every single weekend. You can ask my roommates. I'm just like never home, but it's honestly just easier to like go and stay rather than like go and come back and drag all my stuff with me. So usually I just bring this really big Athleta bag and I have pretty much my packing down to like a quick science. I can get packed in 5 minutes, which is probably pretty good for COVID sakes, but I'm just packing an outfit for tonight. I think I'm going to be wearing this top with like the straight across neckline, and I have my white skirt at Liv's, and I actually have my Air Forces over there too, so I'll just wear all of that, and I'll just pack my jewelry, bring all my makeup, and I'm also bringing my Revlon blow dry brush to blow out my hair because I feel like that could be nice. Probably gonna work till like 5 or so, and then I'll start to get ready, but yeah, I'm excited. So I put all my makeup in here, and then I have all the stuff I'm bringing. So I have my outfit for tonight, which is honestly just this shirt because I have the skirt and shoes already at our place. It's my outfit for tomorrow. Bring my sleep mask everywhere now. I have this t-shirt that I was just wearing and a sweatshirt for bed. This is for dinner tonight because I need to eat these. I have that. This is all my toiletries. This is for my hair, hairbrush. That's my laundry. I'm not dealing with that right now. I just put it all in this big Athleta bag. It generally holds just like a ton, and this will probably honestly be pretty light. So I'm gonna pack this up and make some iced coffee, and then I'm gonna head over. Okay, I totally just made coffee and forgot to show you guys how I made it, but I'll show you guys in the next vlog. It's so good. So I made iced coffee and it's just way cheaper than buying at a Starbucks. Guys, this is what I'm wearing to go to Quirk. I'm just wearing this top from Nordstrom Rack. Actually, it's from J. Crew originally, and this skirt from Forever 21 that I literally wear all the time. I wear it at least once a week. So comfy. It's actually skirts. It's got shorts underneath, so that probably is why it looks so short, but I think it's really fun. And then I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. These are the Sage Lows. They're more platform. And then I just kept it really simple with these like thicker gold hoops. They're like small, but like still statement. And I decided not to do my hair just because that was a lot of effort and I had a lot of work to do. So actually pre-gaming with some bread from Trader Joe's. Liv bought this like special olive oil concoction thing and I'm trying it. This is like French bread, so I'm just excited to eat this right now.